We're doing a summer garden vegetable salad. It's first in our series of Colossal Cucumber Series. Please subscribe and ring the bell so you'll get a notification of all of our new videos. I love summer because there's so many different vegetables. They're fresh. You can get them at the farmer's market. You can get them from your garden or your friend's garden, but make sure they know about that. We're going to do a series based upon cucumbers as the main focus. And because there's always so many cucumbers and I love them, I hope you do too. This is a summer garden cucumber salad with some dill. It's really great. So the first thing we want to do is we want to take about 3 cups of chopped English cucumber. Now if you don't have English cucumber, that's fine. Whatever cucumber you have, right? I just happen to have these. And we want to chop these into some bite-sized pieces. So we're going to cut them in half. And then we're going to cut them 2 or 3 times this way. And then we're going to just chop them like that. Do this one. So we have our cucumbers. Now we're going to take 1 tomato, which we want to be cored, and which we did. We just gone ahead and take the core out, right? And we want this seeded also. Some recipes great to have the seeds. This one's not, right? So you can just cut out the white part. The seeds should just come out. And then we're going to chop this up. We're trying to maintain about the same size of cucumber bites as we do tomatoes. If you like, if you want, I would go a little. If you like to go a little smaller, if you don't like the big chunks of tomato, you can do that. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our tomato. We have 1 small pepper. If you like more pepper, put more pepper in. Again, this is just a base for you to start with. Whatever you have, whatever you like, use more of. Take out this middle part. Seeds. A lot of people throw this top away. There's a lot of good pepper in there. We're going to cut this up. This salad is nice. It's got a lot of flavor. It's very crunchy. It's very fresh. You want 2 tablespoons of onion. The sweeter the better, so if you have some Vidalia onions, that would be great. A purple onion might be a little bit too overwhelming. I would cut these a little thinner because the onion is strong even if it is sweet, and we don't want a lot. I said a couple tablespoons. You got enough crunch in there, we're really doing it for the flavor of the onion. So we have this. We're going to mix these up a little bit. Alright, we're going to set this aside for a minute, and we're going to make what we call our dressing. We have 4 tablespoons of olive oil. You probably want a lighter olive oil for something like this salad. We have 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. We have 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. This is full fat mayonnaise for flavor. If you don't want the full fat variety, use the low fat variety, it's fine. And then in here we have 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then this recipe calls for sugar. We're trying to avoid sugar, so we're using a sugar substitute. You can use stevia, this is Truvia, but it would be 2 teaspoons. We're gonna put this in here. Then we're going to Mix this up. Then add in 2 teaspoons of fresh chopped dill. I love dill. To me, dill and basil are the 2 things that make them really our summer herbs. So I like pickles, so that's probably why. Probably a little more than 2 teaspoons, but it's okay. I like dill. And like I said before, you take a recipe and you make it your own. All right, we're gonna mix this up. And then we're gonna pour it over our salad. And then we're gonna mix it. Now this is really, it's not like a dressing, like a heavy dressing you would think you would have for, you know, some people would put a lot on their salad or something. It's over just a light coating. We're just allowing the cucumber and the onions and the tomatoes and the pepper to blend a little bit with the vinegar and the spices and the dill. And if you can, want to serve this right away, that's great. If you let it marinate for probably, I don't know, 30 minutes, it's really going to help bring out the flavor. Let's get our dish. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to plate this. Get some of that great dressing that we have. And then I like to take a little extra dill and just sprinkle it on the top. Let people know what they're going to get. And that's it. It's a great tasting salad. Give it a shot. I think you're really going to like it.